In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an hourly project and set your rate. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose and what details to enter, so your tracking and invoicing stay clean and accurate. I'll walk you through each click and share quick tips so you feel confident setting this up. We'll start from your main workspace, assuming you're already signed in and ready to go. First, click Projects. This takes you to the central hub where all of your work is organized. Think of it as your project library. Everything lives here, from active engagements to archived work. If you manage multiple clients or services, this view helps keep things structured and easy to search later. Next, click Create New. You'll usually find this near the top of the page. This button opens a new project setup panel, where you decide the type of project and enter the details that will drive billing and reporting. Taking a moment to set things up correctly here will save time and confusion down the line. Now click Hourly Project. This tells the system you'll be billing based on time tracked, rather than a fixed fee. Choosing the correct project type is important because it determines how time entries, rates, and invoices behave. If your work varies from week to week or depends on effort, hourly is often the best fit. Select Client. Use the drop-down to pick the client associated with this project. Assigning the right client ensures your hours appear under the correct account and that invoices wrote properly. If you work with different departments or contacts under one organization, choose the parent client that matches your billing structure. If you don't see the client, make sure it's been added to your account before you begin. Enter project name. Choose a clear, specific name that helps you and your team recognize it at a glance. A helpful format is Client, Service, Timeframe, such as Acme, Website Maintenance, Q3. Consistent naming makes reporting and filtering much easier. Set hourly rate. Enter the rate you plan to bill for this project. Consider your standard rate, any negotiated pricing, and whether taxes or expenses are handled separately. Double-check the currency and use a simple round figure if you want clean totals on invoices. If your platform supports it, this rate will apply automatically to the time you track on this project. Finally, click Save. Your hourly project is now created and ready for time tracking and billing. That's it. Quick, accurate, and organized from the start.